Did you know about the unlock tools? It will unlock Apple ID, MI account, FRP lock and many more. Here is the demo for unlock tools, how to use and unlock. Unlock tools will unlock all kinds of iPad and iPhone. Supports iOS 15.6.1 bypass and passcode. Also improved for Apple. Auto-generate file IC-info.sisv when backup passcode or restore backup. This file doesn't exist. Unlock tools will provide all video tutorial, check link on below. Supports for all kinds of MI phone for bypass, MI account, flashing, boot custom recovery, remove MI cloud, reset MI cloud, remove FRP, format data and install root. Support on EDL mode, fastboot mode, recovery mode, function mode, diag mode, and meta mode. Supports all new Samsung Mobile for bypass FRP lock with one-click solve all kinds of security problems on EDA mode and Odin mode. Some oppo models are you cannot wipe your data by pressing key combination ever. You cannot remove your lock screen and Gmail account, but here is the solution for oppo models. You can easily wipe your data and remove any kinds of lock from your device. You can bypass hello screen bypass at the latest iOS version with unlock tools, backup passcode, erase all data, restore backup, and reboot device. For the hello screen, untethered bypass with signal, with full notification, hidden iCloud, fix face.
Wow.